Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter. Thank you for joining me this holiday week of Thanksgiving for the Mortgage Porter. Optimal Blue reports the average rate for a 30-year fixed rate as of last Friday, November 21st, was 6.224%. This is essentially the same, or really just a tiny hair better than what I shared with you last week. Please remember this Optimal Blue index is an average from about 35% of the mortgage transactions or lenders who use Optimal Blue when they go in to lock in an interest rate. And so we don't know when people are locking, if they're being priced with points with these rates, or what the loan to value is, or what somebody's credit score is. So it's really, as I said, just an average and just to give us an idea of how interest rates are trending. But so if you would like to have a rate quote based off of your personal financial scenario and one that's current, please contact me. I'm happy to do that for you. Well, it's a short week with the Thanksgiving holiday, and tomorrow we have the Producer Price Index, which measures inflation, and we also have some housing and valuation reports. Of course, Thursday we're going to be closed for Thanksgiving, and markets will close early on Friday. And the longest government shutdown on record has caused delays and complications when some of these economic reports are going to be released. And so this may impact the Fed's rate cut decision on December 10th, but odds are currently around 85% that we will see the Fed cut rates about a quarter point. It's about 1:40 Seattle time as I prepare this for you, and mortgage-backed securities are up about 11 basis points for the 30-year, and the green candlesticks that you see here indicates that rates have been trending slightly lower. So we do like to see that trend, and hopefully that continues. As of November 16th, Fannie Mae has removed the requirement of having a minimum credit score of 620 or higher to be eligible for a conventional mortgage. Instead, Fannie Mae is going to be relying on their underwriting system known as DU or Desktop Underwriter to determine if someone is approved by considering other factors such as payment history, income, debt ratio, savings, down payment, or equity in the home. And the credit scoring can be very hit or miss. I mean, I've seen thousands of credit reports over my years in the industry, and it can be really surprising sometimes to see like how high somebody's score is or how low somebody's score might be. So it doesn't always make sense. And being just one digit off can really impact if you're approved for a certain loan program. I think this is a great opportunity for people who have been previously declined for a loan due to their credit score. And so once an application has been submitted and ran through Fannie Mae's automated underwriting system, DU, that's when we'll know if we have an approval or not. And instead of using that credit score or having a credit score decline somebody, it may require a borrower to take a home buyer education course or show payment history using alternative documentation like utility or cell phone bills. And please remember that with Fannie Mae or conventional mortgages, you don't need 20% down payment for these types of loans. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will go as low as 3% down. So contact me today for more information. Our next workshop has been rescheduled 1 week later to December 10th. And you won't want to miss this workshop as we are going to go over the steps from getting pre-qualified to presenting an offer. And so there's a lot that goes on during that process. And you do need to register at mortgageporter.com, and you'll see a link at the top of my page for workshops and homebuyer classes. And this is a webinar format, so you won't be on camera, so you can enjoy your lunch during this 1 hour break and ask me questions. It is live. And I think you'll learn a lot. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you're thinking about buying or selling or refinancing, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. Take care, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye-bye.